Hello, my friends. Good evening, good day, whatever time you're looking at this video. So today is Wednesday. It's January 13. So we're gonna look at the follow up for the analysis that we did last Sunday. So the markets are moving real good. We starting the year real good also. So we're going to get it going right away. Your time is very valuable. Thank you for being here. Please, if you haven't subscribe, hit that bell notification so you can get a notification every time I drop a video so you guys can check it out and see it. Okay, I'm using the multiple time frame system. The links are going to be below the video, so if you guys are interested in getting the system, this is a great system. I've never seen something so clear and so fast. I mean, it helps you to do an analysis very fast though. As far as the direction of the market, we have rules that we follow to trading. And also, before we start, I am not a financial advisor. I'm just a guy that does analysis, that has been doing Forex for years now. And I am profitable. Okay. A lot of people, I mean, all you got, I know, is my word, but I've been doing this for a lot of years, and I have nobody, I don't have to prove nobody to or anything to nobody, but I'm just trying to help people. This helps a lot of people, just people who don't have maybe the experience or don't have the financial investment as far as education goes for Forex. Even in other countries, I always get messages from people saying that this is helping them. So that is the reason I'm doing it. And also, it gives me, it gives me accountability, to also make an analysis as correct as possible. And we're having good results. Okay, so we're going to start with GP odd. We say on Sunday we were exactly at this point. I was saying that the market was going to go in an up direction. Why did I say that? Is because we had a magic arrow at that point. We have a strong support, plus we have the master trend also showing up to go in an up direction. And I say that pretty much for the rest of maybe the rest of the month or a few weeks, I'm going to be buying every pullback that I get from GP odd. I'm going to be buying it. For example, well, you saw on Sunday I had a trade right here, right above this, and I was able to gain this pips right there. It was at like 100 and something pips, because this pair really moves a lot. It went all the way like 100 right there. Now I'm gonna wait for this pullback to be done, and not gonna rebuy it again. I'm gonna be just buying this pair right here. Okay. I also had a trade on GPNCD. I said that the market was going to go up. The market was around this area over here, and I was able to gain all this right there, more than 100 pips. Okay, so kind of the same idea with this. If we look at the daily, this we see those turns on the markets, but we don't know if the market is doing pullback or is doing a reversal. Okay, until it confirms. If it's going to be a reversal, it's going to go far. If it's going to be a pullback, it's only going to follow this trend right there and then continue down. But the only way to know that is until it's done, pretty much. So it's good to know that. But on both ways, even if it's a reversal or a pullback, you can make pips. You can see that. I mean, the market is going to do 1, 2, 3. It does that all the time. Okay, and so that's why I said I'm waiting for this market or this pair right here, JPNCD, to complete this pullback, because I'm going to be buying it again. Okay. And I'm only do buys because I'm going with the master trend. So if you can do that too. You trade at your own risk though. USD CAD. On USD CAD, we also said the market was going to go up. We were around this area over here, and the market went up. 3 trades, more than 100 pips each one, so more than 300 pips just in 2 to 3 days. You tell me if this is a good system. And also, you got to learn how to read it. Obviously, I have experience doing this, so I don't not only see the indicators, I see other indicators too, and then I see the structure of the market. I told you before, I came from Elliott Wave background, but this indicator tells me, it guides me in the right direction all the time. What do we got right now? The market's pulling down. After that, the market is going to continue again. So I'm going to give you a trade alert right here. We're in the 1 hour. One thing you can do, it's going to give you a nice tip. Turn it into a line right there. Put yourself a nice trend line. The moment you see that the market closes above the trend line, it's time to buy. And that works 80 to 90% of the time. Okay, so that's a great tip right there for you guys. Obviously, you got to know your master trend. You got to know the structure of the market and all that. GBP, JPY, the market, it was right there. And I said, I mean, we don't do this type of markets because master trend, it's up, so it's a counter trend trade. What I was telling you to wait, we got to wait until the market drops, and then we take that trade in the up direction. GBP CAD, we were right here, and the market went up already. So we're waiting for the market to go up, and it did. That's another, let's see, let's say we took the trade around here. That's another 146 pips, no problem. So more than 400 pips in just 3-4 pairs. And Euro NCD, I think, said I'm not interested in doing this because it's against the master trend. That will be a pullback. Euro CAD, real quick. That one it's a pullback. You know, that's a pullback against the master trend. You can trade this also, but you know, when you go against the master trend, you're risking it more. That's all you're doing. Alt JPY. Let's see what we got. Alt JPY. It looked very similar. I think it's still moving up. Okay, so it's better just to. It's a very extended market. Let's look at the weekly. Right there, we're at about the. If I use the Fibonacci right there, I can almost. Sure you were in the 61.8 area right here. As the market breaks this one, I mean, normally goes into 88.6. That's when we're gonna find supply, and then the market drops from that point. So we're gonna see how the market moves, but there's nothing to do there. There's no trade pretty much in that one yet. So weekly, let me get rid of the Fibonacci. Okay, and odd USD is standing also very, very far. This one did pass the Fibonacci level. In the weekly, you can see that the whole extension, and it's getting into that supply zone. Be very careful, because this supply zone, I mean, is very important, because normally, I mean, when market gets here, I would say 70 to 80% of the time it's going to start dropping exactly from this point right there. I'm going to put a blue box right there so we can identify it. Okay, so we're going to keep watching this market. There's nothing to do there, you know. It hasn't confirmed yet, so let me see. The daily looks like that. In the 4 hour looks like that. Okay, so we need this trade to develop a little bit longer to start taking trades. And the last one, out NCD, same situation. Okay, the market's still extending. Let's look at the daily. we're going to compare this move against this move, and that's going to be in 61.8. I can almost tell you just by looking at it. 61.8, exactly at that point. So this is very critical. I mean, very important to watch the market, this pair or out NCD at this point. We have magic arrow in position. We put it in 4 hours. So we need this market to start moving down, so it'll confirm the move down, and we can go with it. And we can start making some more pips. Okay, well, thank you so much for spending this time. I'm gonna give you another pair that I'm watching for this week. Let me see, I think it was this pair right here. Let me look. Daily. What's the master trend coming in? Master trend coming up. Going 4 hours. Okay, yeah, so let me make this bigger. This is a trade alert. Pretty much you see an impulse coming up, and now the market is doing a pullback. This is going to be a pullback correcting this move right here. What you want to do, you want to put yourself a nice trend line. Another way to put a trend line that is to do it is put it on the line right there and put your trend line. These are pretty much at the close of all the candles right there. Okay. Or if you want to do it with the candles a little bit higher, that's safer, but sometimes you can miss trades. So we're going to put them at the close of all the candles right there. So your job is going to be, this trade is going to develop down for the rest of this week. Then I'm going to wait for the market to close above this trend line. I want to see like a good candle, strong candle closing above, doing a little pullback outside of the trend line. Then I will buy the market. That's another trade alert that I'm giving you for this week. Well, thank you very much, friends. We're going to be reviewing this on Sunday. Please subscribe, share the channel so we can more people can benefit from this. And I'm trying to get, my goal is to get to 1,000 subscribers this year so we can start doing some live trading. If you have any questions, please put them in the comments. I will get to it as soon as I can. And like I said, I'm using multiple time frame system, great system. The links are going to be below. We're running specials right now. Just make sure you message me and Tim with Irving, which is the creator of the system. And keep having a great week. Please be safe out there. Be healthy. And I'll see you guys one more time on Sunday. I'm going to try to do it Saturday or Sunday. One of those days. I'll try to do it Saturday. The analysis. That way more people can see it. Well, thank you very much. Good night, everybody. See you soon.